क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के इस क्वेश्चन में हमें सॉल्व करना है, पी क्यू आर की वैल्यू निकालनी है। क्वेश्चन में पी क्यू आर रियल नंबर्स और एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन दिया है इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्स स्क्वेयर whose coefficient is p square plus q square and coefficient of x is minus 2q into p plus r and constant is q square plus r square. Also we have another one equation which is x square plus 2x minus 8 is equals to 0 and roots of both equation have one common root. So let's simplify this question. We have first quadratic equation and we can simplify this quadratic equation into equation px minus q bracket square plus qx minus r bracket square is equals to 0. Now we can write px minus q is equals to 0 and qx minus r is equals to 0. It means x is equals to q by p is equals to r by q. Now we have another one quadratic equation which is x square plus 2x minus 8 whose roots are 4 or minus 2 and we can choose root which is positive because p, q, r are positive. So x is equals to q by p is equals to r by q is equals to 4. Now we have to find q square plus r square divided by r square. Let's put all these value into equation. We will get 16 into 256 which is equals to 274 and this is our final answer.